Welcome everyone to part 1 of our list of the top banned gadgets you can still buy on Amazon. We're going to take a look at some of the most intriguing, cutting-edge, and potentially dangerous gadgets you can get your hands on today. Let's get started. Number 1. Are you looking for a cool, discreet way to record your adventures? Look no further than the amazing hidden camera glasses from DEAUTHER. Not only do they look super cool, but they'll also help you capture and take pictures of the things you see. The camera glasses can be connected to your computer via a USB interface and used as a PC camera, for video chatting with your friends, taking photos, and more. You can also sync the spy camera's time with your computer's time, so the videos and images it captures will have time stamps on them. The camera has a 1080p 78-degree lens and one FocMOS image sensor, so the lens isn't very wide and can only catch things straight in front. The videos are recorded in .avi format and 30 frames per second. Charging and viewing is also super easy and takes 1.5 hours. It also supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux systems. So if you're looking for a cool and discreet way to record your adventures, the hidden camera glasses are definitely for you. Number 2, the FlipperZero. This device is like a Leatherman or a Swiss Army knife for talking to electronics. It's small and cute, with a Tamagotchi-style dolphin on its monochrome display. But don't let the looks fool you, this multi-tool packs a lot of features. It can talk to sub-1 GHz devices like garage doors, both low and high-frequency RFID, NFC cards, infrared devices, and even Bluetooth. You may have seen people using it to annoy Tesla owners by remotely opening their charging ports, but the real power of the Flipper is its versatility. Just about every wireless device is vulnerable to it in some way or another. What can it do? It has a sub-1 GHz transceiver to interact with old-fashioned devices like garage doors, restaurant pagas, and doorbells. There's also a 125 kHz antenna to read, clone, and emulate older prox cards. And an NFC module to read, write, and emulate both low and high-frequency NFC devices. Plus an infrared transceiver to learn any IR device. You can also use the Flipper to run bad USB attacks, store U2F keys, and even play Doom and Tetris on it. It can be connected to a computer via USB, and it also has a microSD card slot for storing data. The FlipperZero is a powerful tool and it has a vibrant community out there. There's lots of resources online, and people are finding new ways to use it all the time. It's open source, so you can install your own firmware too. So, is the FlipperZero for you? Well, it depends on what you want to do. It's a great tool for testing your own security, and it's also a lot of fun to mess around with wireless signals. It's not going to turn you into a vigilante hacker, but it can do some interesting things. All in all, the FlipperZero is a great device. It's versatile and powerful, and it's got a great community. It's definitely worth checking out. Number 3, the cofeymeralaser is an incredible piece of technology, boasting an impressive 10 mW output power, a 532 nanometers wavelength, a beam divergence of E1.5 mrad, a beam diameter of 2 mm, and a beam power stability of less than 5%. It has the power to reach up to 10+ feet away, and its precision is remarkable, making it a must-have tool for any paper-burning enthusiast. However, it is important to remember that it is a Class 4 device and must be handled with extreme caution. It is dangerous to the eyes and can cause permanent blindness if looked at from 75 feet away, so red-tinted laser glasses should always be worn when using the device. Additionally, it is illegal to sell online in some cases, so it should be kept safely locked away and away from children or pets. With its power, precision, and safety measures, the cofeymeralaser is an amazing device that anyone should be proud to have in their arsenal. Number 4, introducing the DEAUTHER Watch V3, the perfect combination of stylish and practical. This ESP-based watch runs on the ESP8266 board and supports 2.4 GHz, and it comes with an array of features and upgrades. The 1.3-inch OLED display allows you to create fake networks, confuse Wi-Fi trackers, and view Wi-Fi traffic. Plus, its powerful laser can reach up to 50 to 100 meters, and its 800 mAh battery can keep your watch running for up to 8 hours. And that's not all, it also has a clock submenu to view or set time specifically for DEAUTHER watches. In addition, the DEAUTHER Watch V3 is equipped with several GPIOs, including a WS2812B LED and laser, indicative charging LEDs, and protection from short overcharging. And for even more features, it also comes with a low-cost, more accurate DS3231 RTC and a screen protector to keep your wristwatch safe. Get yours today on Amazon and start hacking away with the DEAUTHER Watch V3. Number 5. Are you looking for a way to make your vehicle stand out during the day or night? Look no further than XSprite's upgraded dual windshield visor strobe light bar. This light bar is packed with 32 high-intensity LEDs, so you can be sure your vehicle will be seen up to a half a mile in distance. With over 50,000 hour lifespan, this light bar is the perfect choice for security, undercover work, construction safety, or police and law enforcement vehicles. It is designed with a dual switch, so you can easily turn it on or off and change between 26 flashing patterns. Plus, it includes a standard bracket and optional extension for larger vehicles, making installation fast and easy. With 33-inch splitter and sealed connectors, syncing both light bars is a breeze. Don't forget, if the bracket isn't suitable for your vehicle, you can always reach out to XSprite for help, as they have excellent customer service. If you're looking for high-end, forbidden gadgets, Amazon is the place to go. With a selection of cutting-edge and controversial gadgets, you can find something to suit your needs. While there may be risks associated with these items, they can still add a bit of thrill to your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest in technology. Thanks for watching.